Widdicombe Place is upscale living at its best, surrounded by a multitude of convenient amenities. Residents enjoy 24/7 concierge service. Located at 53 and 57 Widdicombe Hill Boulevard, we offer 1, 2 and 3 bedroom suites and breathtaking penthouses. Each of our suites is equipped with modern and stylish kitchens and washrooms, and large living spaces complete with beautiful solariums, where you'll find yourself surrounded by panoramic city views. With an array of facilities, our on-site fitness, health and aerobic areas can't be beat. Take a dip in our indoor saltwater swimming pool. Enjoy our squash and tennis courts. Or relax and unwind in our hot tub. Take advantage of our in-house theatre screening room, entertainment area, an on-site laundry facility next to a convenient sitting area. During warmer months, enjoy the outside to its fullest in our award-winning, professionally landscaped grounds. Golfers will love being only minutes from a few of the best golfing in Etobicoke, not to mention our state-of-the-art in-house golf simulator. Shopping more to your liking? Several of Ontario's well-known malls are in close proximity, and you're only minutes away from Pearson International Airport and all major highways. Whether for work or for play, you'll love the convenience, comfort and accessibility of your new home.